We've all heard of an all-you-can-eat buffet, but one all-you-can-eat buffet in Bavaria should have an asterisk beside it, after a German triathlete put that term to the test. Athlete Jaroslav Bobrovsky devoured 100 plates of sushi at the Bavarian buffet. But instead of getting a membership to the Clean Plate Club, the restaurant decided to permanently ban him. Bobrovsky spoke with a German newspaper saying he was told, "I'm banned from now on because I'm eating too much." The buffet owner spoke to Bild saying, "I myself am dead after 13 plates, but he always took 5 or 7 plates at a time. So there was a gap on the sushi carousel, and the other guest asked if we skimped out on the fish." He later said, "I want to win customers and not offend any guests." According to People magazine, Bobrovsky has since apologized and will look elsewhere for new buffets to frequent. And if you're wondering just how much sushi Bobrovsky consumed, according to Eater, who did some rough math, he ate about 18 pounds worth of sushi. In the words of Matthew Broderick from Godzilla,
"That's a lot of fish."